Welcome back to Thought Leadership series. Today we will talk a little bit about the communication. Communication has become essential part of our life, and why it is required. I will give some examples of it. The first thing we discussed in the previous series was that business acumen. Once you have the business knowledge, how would you communicate that? How would you articulate that? That is important, because if you have the knowledge and if you are unable to communicate, express that and exchange that with the audience or with your peers, then it would become difficult for you to survive. It will become difficult for excelling yourself. So communication is absolutely important, and most of the times, what we have seen, be it in our academics, be it in our colleges or universities, wherever it is, yes, communication was not given the preference that it should have been given in terms of articulation techniques, representation techniques, presentation techniques, and methodologies of that. Yes, there are some super cool colleges or universities where these kind of things are taught, but it's not being taught to majority of the world. So what we have found is that 8 out of 10 people especially in Southeast Asia, really they suffer from communication. Though they have knowledge, they are unable to express this, they are unable to articulate it, they are unable to represent that. So communication is absolutely important. And the next gen advice, or the advice for the next generation is that communication could become your strength, your capability. So when it comes to communication, it has to be a clear message, it has to be a very concise message, it has to be very precise message. So clarity is important, precision is important, conciseness is important, and then swiftness is also important. So next gen, we have seen that they are hooked up to the instant messengers, which is swift. You cannot answer something that was asked 10 days ago on the instant messengers. So that kind of communication should come. Spontaneity need to come, when we are delivering a lecture, or when we are talking to somebody, or when we are presenting a business case. And then with the swiftness, we have to be very ethical, respectful whenever we are putting across something. And these are some of the things that we really wanted to share with our next generation, so that they can understand the importance of communication, and they can take the communication as one of their core skill set, be it verbal, be it written communication, be it presentational skills, anything. It has to be really up to the notch, so that you can make an impact, you can influence, you can articulate the stuff rightly, and grow into a leadership role. Thank you.